Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to see TikTok history. So go for your TikTok app first, go for profile and go to here in this three line icon here section. So go for settings and privacy, scroll down and go here activity center. So you can see here all of your TikTok history is here. You can see here search history, comment history and watch history also. So guys, this is how you can see TikTok history. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.